There are two different types of scheme in SUMAC, standard schemes and peer-to-peer schemes. In standard schemes, the partners have different named roles, and there's a hierarchical relationship between the two roles, such as mentor and mentee, coach and coachee. In peer-to-peer schemes, there's just one role and there's no differentiation between the two partners or any hierarchical relationship. It's simply two scheme members matched with each other. Standard schemes are used for traditional approaches to coaching, mentoring and other partnerships where there's a clear distinction between roles. Peer-to-peer schemes are used when no such distinctions exist, such as co-mentoring or buddy schemes. Almost everything in peer-to-peer schemes works in exactly the same way as for standard schemes, including creating the sign-up form, setting up the matching flow, email templates, matching, managing partnerships, member profiles, and so on. The main difference is that there's just one member type. To create a peer-to-peer scheme, a scheme must first be created using the normal scheme creation process. This is only available to admin users with account coordinator privileges. A new scheme can be added from the scheme selector in the top left-hand corner of the admin interface. Once the scheme has been created, the Basic tab in Scheme Settings includes a Scheme Type option. By default, this is Standard, but you can change the scheme to Peer-to-Peer by selecting the Peer-to-Peer option and then confirming. Using the same process, an existing standard scheme can be converted to peer-to-peer format, including all member data, such as members and partnerships. However, it's important to note that if a standard scheme is converted to peer-to-peer, it can only be switched back again if there's no scheme data. No members, no partnerships. As soon as there's any scheme data, the conversion process is a one-way street and there's no going back. Once a scheme is changed to peer-to-peer, then scheme settings are edited as required in the same way you would change scheme settings for a standard scheme. Just work through the scheme settings tabs in the same way and get everything set up the way you want. When members sign up as partners or buddies or whatever name you give them, they can be matched into partnerships in the same way you'd match people in standard schemes. This can be done manually from individual profiles or in a bulk process from the bulk matching screen. It can be done automatically, either with or without a review stage. Whatever route you go down to create partnerships, at the point of creation, they can either be live or provisional, and emails can either be sent manually or automatically. Each partnership can also be converted from provisional to live or declined if either the first to respond accepts or declines, or can require both partners to accept before the partnership goes ahead. These options are contained in the Matching Flow section of the Matching tab in Scheme Settings.